And our food is good. Mm-hmm. What's up? So, give me a picture. Mask and all. Okay, got it. Oh, they said we should put you to work. I know. You can't even talk. Why you can't talk? Can you talk? I love it. Leah, let me take a picture with you.
You just tap the white button.
Okay. Look at Leah. She done took her mask off to do it. That white button ain't nothing.
It is. Just keep clicking.
Okay. That's good. Hopefully I did. Thank you.
Bree, you want a picture with you, Bree? You working?
Yeah, you working. Go to work.
Yeah, you working.
Pass the orders. What's this?
Number 12.
Who you can pass this? Say money, 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 money. Money, 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 money.
You want a picture with who? Come on, let me do it now.
Who tell them number 12? Number 12. Oh, we need a piece of foil for this one.
Oh, that's the one.
Let me get a piece of foil.
I do apologize.